Hello everyone and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. Oh, I did my morning car video today because that was so critical to explain. But now let's deep dive into it and kind of get an understanding of what is happening on this, and is this the start of the full bull market? Let's go. Alright, so here's what we know right now. As of right now, Bitcoin, I need to refresh that. Let's go. We're at 30K. Let's go. We're finally at $30,000 for the first time in I don't know how many freaking months. I think maybe 3 months or so. But it has begun. The biggest reason this is technically happening is that there's a lot of optimism building around it. And the reason is because the SEC having rejected so many similar proposals in the past. But I don't think they're going to be doing that going forward. And here's the thing. If you've got the biggest exchanges or the biggest companies in the world, in America, backing this up, the game's crazy. I have a Fidelity account. My mom had a Fidelity account. Every person I know that's had a retirement account has a Fidelity. So that's a lot of money that's about to enter the crypto market, right? That's crazy. This might be the start to getting us past that last 70K stopping point. And if we can make it to that next step, it's literally, it's game over. Crypto will be the next financial resource if it makes it past that next bull run. And then now if it's supported by the damn American government, there's technically no stopping us in the crypto world, right? So everybody that's been here from 2009, anybody that joined in 12, 14, 15, 17, I'm glad you're here. And I'm hoping you're here to stay because right now the sentiment looks positive. This is probably the best time to be investing in crypto because we don't know where it's going to go from here. But real quick technical analysis, as we can see here, it made that pattern and it broke out. This is a buy point, and now we can confirm from this signal, besides even the fundamentals of what's happening, that in technical analysis, we are on a bull run starting now. Same with the MACD. It is showing that it is not slowing down from there. All these articles are just blowing it up. Is it a beginning of the bull market? I vote yes. A lot of other people are also voting yes. And you're going to have some skeptics out there, right? There's never going to be a world where everybody loves crypto, just like there's never going to be a world where everybody loves healthy food, right? So just don't let the negative news disinform you on making your buy decisions, and don't even let this positive news be your only buying decision power. Think about it and really ponder, can I, A, afford to lose money? Remember, that's always my first thing. Luckily, though, in this case, it's not a meme token. It's not something small. It's not low liquidity. It is Bitcoin. So I personally have no fear of investing my life savings into Bitcoin and making it my retirement plan. And I know many friends that have, right? So if you are one of those people, congratulations. Hopefully we all get to a lot more than we would have otherwise for our retirement. Now, before I go into it, what I do want to say is if we do break down from this high, like if we get past the 31K and then we start breaking down again, it will start being a bear sentiment. But this is just the beginning. Nobody should let that detriment them from buying and investing in Bitcoin for the long run. If you are buying steadily every day as like a dollar cost averaging, you're also in a good position. If you actually think about it, let me pull up the Bitcoin chart just because maybe we should go through that bad boy. BTC, alright. So if you are, and this is just a not logged in account, so I don't get to see it all, but if you go into here, as you can see all this time, I hate the day mark. I always do it for the 4 hour. It gives me just a better window. Oh, I have to do more. Damn, I need to be logged in. Alright, let's go to the 1 day. If we're at the 1 day, screw it. We're literally, like if you had been dollar cost averaging, heck, even from the very, very tippy top, it has been 591 days, so we're about roughly 2 years there. If you had been buying, let's even say $10, $15 a day, you probably would have averaged down to here. And just a quick guess, don't have the exact number, but like even if you were like right here, your point to get there is very, very close. And that doesn't mean that you didn't buy more at the bottom. It just means that you put in the same amount. That's why I estimate this number. But if you had doubled down or tripled down on the way down, you might have literally made it down to here with 3 to 4 Bitcoin if you could afford it. And look at the profit margin would have been here, 50% on, let's just even say 1 Bitcoin. That's up 10 grand. Yeah, that's a long time. The point isn't to take the profit out of this scenario, but the point is to show that you are going to have a long-term holding that could hopefully be your investment vehicle for retirement, right? Because everybody wants to retire early. That's the whole world's goal. That's my goal. That's everybody's goal, right? So that's just something to think about. But right now, with how the market's going, the sentiment that has shifted, the fact that, oh boys, look, it is going. We are at, we might break the mark right now. Oh my God, today's a good day for Bitcoin. 23%. Where are we at with Ethereum now? Let's look at that bad boy. Where are we at quick? Also, same concept. Guarantee you, not as much as Bitcoin. So right now what's going to happen is the leading coin is going to be BTC. I recommend focusing strictly on BTC because these are lagging. But don't forget, alt season always comes when the bull market starts. So even if you miss profits on these big exchange or these big coins, then you can go to those smaller market cap tokens and invest in a couple here and there. Again, be ready to lose some. But the ones that do hit it are going to have such a good opportunity because they will not move 10, 15, 20, 30%. They're going to move 500%, 1,000%. There's just, the possibilities are endless. Welcome to the crypto world. Please like, subscribe, and share, especially if you're into the bull market like I am. Do not hesitate. Questions, ideas, comment below. It really means a lot to me that you guys watch this and are excited about this journey. It just means the world because crypto's always been one of my favorite things. And watching other people benefit from it just like me just means the world. So if I can do anything for any of y'all, don't hesitate to email. I do appreciate all the kindness. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day.